this is the SME event of the year in Europe, and this year it's in Graz.
We are here because it's one of the most innovative regions of Austria.
It is something special here.
What we are discussing today, and it is important that we secure the future of our European SMEs.
So I think it's a perfect platform for having an exchange of views.
And every edition is unique. We have the super innovative startups, but we also have the more sort of traditional SMEs.
Well, I think it's great to have a platform for entrepreneurs to have an impact on what the policies that are going to be made, to have a voice and be heard.
It is no coincidence that the SME Assembly is held in Steiermark. The motto "Connect, Share, Innovate" fits our most innovative region very well.
We need industry for big products, but SMEs are supplying them. They are part of the value chain.
SMEs, they are like children. If you don't have children, you don't have big companies.